Hi guys, this is Ankita and welcome to Data Couple. Today we are going to solve the problem of when to use rank, dense rank or row number once and for all. So without any further ado, let us quickly jump to the problem. So yeah, if you look at the problem here on the screen, we have a table which consists of employee ID, employee name and salary. Now, I believe this is one of the most commonly asked interview questions in any of the data role. You're either asked to return the top ranked employee who's getting the highest salary, or maybe vice versa, the lowest salary, or we are asked to return the top 5 salaries, or top 6 employees who are getting the highest salaries. Or we are asked, let's say, what is the third highest salary? So we are going to uncover here when to use what and what is the purpose of each of these functions separately. So, okay. So if you look at it, the input table is employee ID, employee name, and salary. Since employee ID, it's an unique ID, so it's a non-repetitive, non-null unique key. So this is essentially the primary key. And we have employee names as well. And then we have the salaries. But salaries are not unique. It can repeat, like say column employee G and even employee B and C. All three of them are getting the same salary. That's what the table looks like. Now let me take you to my Microsoft SQL server. Here I have already taken or I have imported the table. But before going there, let me tell you the quick difference between all the three functions, rank, dense rank, and row number, and how to use it.
So what will rank do? Rank will give the rank based on your salary. I have taken the rank based on descending order of salary. You can take in ascending order as well, or as per your choice. So here 5,000, since this is the highest salary in this existing table, this is given a rank of 1. Similarly, 4,000 is given a rank of 2. But if you look at it, we have 2 people repeating for salary having 3,000. So there are multiple contender for this salary. We have provided both of them the same rank, which is available. What is that? There is 3 in this case. So both of them have gotten the rank of 3. And immediately next one, who is receiving the next highest possible salary, that is 2,000. There are 4 contenders to it. So all of them will get a rank of 5. Now, why 5? If you look at it, we have skipped the rank 4 altogether. Why is that? Because the person who was supposed to be 4, since their salary is tying up with the third highest salary, both of them will get the rank of 3 and rank number 4 will be automatically skipped. In this case, since fourth is missing and rank number 4 is missing, so we will get rank number 5, and rank number 5 will be provided for all the next possible tied up contenders. For in this table, we have 4 people tying up for the salary of 2,000 and all of them have gotten the rank of 4. Now, immediately, if you look at it, the next available salary in the same order is 1,000, and 2 people they are receiving the salary of 1,000. But are they getting a rank of 6 or 7? No, they're getting a rank of 9. Why? Because if you look at it, since the first person, which is B in this case, who is getting salary 2,000, have gotten the rank of 5. Now 6, 7, and 8, these 3 ranks are skipped because rank function skips the immediate next values available in case your salaries or the value column is in a tied up position or tied position, right? Or having the same value in a repeated manner. And that's what is happening here. So 6, 7, 8 ranks are missed or skipped, and immediately next value which is available, which is 9, is given to the next 2 employees who is receiving the next high salary.
Okay, I hope this is clear. There's a classic example that you can see in the Olympics medal tally table as well. What Olympics does is there's a little bit of complex calculation. They start or have the highest priority given to the gold medals, and then they have the next highest priority given to the total number of medals per country. But let's say if more than one country has received the same number of medals and their gold medal tally is also the same, both or all three of them will receive the same rank.
India currently is ranking 70, although they have a rank tally of 6. So they are above of Kyrgyzstan, who is getting rank 71. But if you look at it, Kyrgyzstan and Republic of Moldova, both of them have received a rank of 71, and their medal tally is 4, and their medal positioning is also same. Both of them have received one silver medal and three bronze medals, and that's what is showing here as well. The immediate next one, Kosovo, have received only two medals together. Let me zoom in. 72 number rank is skipped, right? So this is a classic example of using rank function.
So if you look at it, the first two rows, they have received rank number 1 and 2, which they were supposed to receive. It's exactly the same with rank function. And also the third one, third highest salary, which is 3000 and repeating for two people, both of them have received the rank of 3. But the game changes immediately from the next moment onwards, or the next tie onwards. What is happening here? Let's say we have 2000 salary repeating for 4 people and all of them have gotten the rank of 5 in rank function, but in dense rank, since no rank is skipped, they will be getting the rank of 4, right? And the game changes even more when the immediately next highest salary, which is 1000 in this case, was receiving rank number 9 in rank function, but in dense rank, they will be receiving a rank of 5 because again, dense rank does not skip any number in their sequence. Okay, so everyone who is participating, they will get a rank. Even if tied up, no rank will be missed. Everyone will be given a subsequent rank. Hope this is clear. Now coming to row number. The row number is a function which is similar to indexing your table. So what will it do? It will provide you rank based on your salary or whichever column you have provided to order it by. So again, same thing for 5000 and 4000, all or both of them will be receiving 1 and 2 as rank, very similar to what rank and dense rank function has provided. Now the game changes when, let's say, in the third position we have 3000 repeating twice. Rank and dense rank, both of them provided a rank of 3 and 3 to each of them, but row number will provide them a rank of 3 and 4 because row number does not repeat itself. It's an index function, if you may say. It does not repeat itself and provides the ranking based on salary. And let's say if you have provided a second column to order it by, let's say employee name, it will provide the rank row number based on that. So if your employee name was supposed to be ordered in ascending order, that's what row number has done here. So employee D and I, although both receiving the same salary, D is a little higher in alphabetical order than I. So D has received the row number of 3, whereas I has received the row number of 4. What happens? We provide an additional condition while using row number so that there is no confusion with SQL. All right, hope the concept is clear. Let us go back to the table and let us look at the first question. So the first question here is find out the employee name who is getting the highest salary. And in case of a tie, return alphabetically in ascending order. So we have to provide the employee name who is getting the highest salary, and I think we have to provide only one, even in case of a tie, because we have to provide the name in an alphabetically ascending order. All right.
So we have to rank the function here. We have to rank employee name based on, we will be ordered by salary, descending, because we are asked to find out the highest salary, and we can also provide, let's say, employee name ascending, right? That's what it is. It has asked us to do as, let's say, RN or rank from employees. Okay, all right. I think this should return the ranks as it is. Yes, see. So employee name H. Let us look at the table here. I think that's what it is. So employee name H is the one who is getting the highest salary, and that's what SSMS has also returned. Now we have to only retain the name of the employee who has the high salary. So essentially, we have to provide the employee name where rank is 1. So let us select that. Let us select employee name from, let's give the upper table a name as CTE, employee where RN equals to 1. This should run. Let me quickly create the CT here. All right, I think it should run. Yeah. So we're getting the highest ranked employee name. All right, so this is clear. I hope this is clear. And let's say if we had multiple employees with same rank, then we would have been getting their employee names in an ascending order. Let us quickly try that out. So we know there are repeating employees with the same salary. So let's say, let's take the third highest salary, right? So let's give rank equals to 3 and let's run it. We're getting employee name as D, right? Okay. Right. All right. We're getting the same thing. Again, since this is row number 1 or this is the highest ranked salary, either row number, dense rank or rank function, all three of them will return essentially the same thing. That's why if you look at the table here, see column, sorry, or employee name H and E, which are two top performing employees having the highest salary, first and second highest salary, all of them are getting the same rank. In this case, for rank, dense rank, and row number function, right? So that's what we will be seeing here as well. Yes, exactly. So it does not change. So based on scenario, you can use either of these three functions in case you are asked similar kind of a question. Now coming to the next question, we have to find out the third highest salary from the table, and we also have to find out the name of the employee who is getting the third highest salary. And in case of a tie, we have to return the name in an alphabetical ascending order. All right, I think the question is clear. I can copy the question here so that it's again easy for us to remember. So in an interview, let's say if you are asked to find out the third highest salary from the table, please clarify from your interviewer if he or she wants you to return the third highest salary from the table, or if he or she is asking to get the top 3 employees or top 3 salaries from the table, right? Seem like this is a very trivial thing, but believe me, from my experience, I have seen multiple people making this mistake, not clarifying from the interviewer what he or she has asked and just randomly blurting out what they have learned so far, and they know about one function, they will use that same function in any question that's asked related to ranking. But that is not necessarily true. All these three functions, as mentioned in Excel or in this example as well, right? All these three will get used in different scenarios. Please clarify which question the interviewer is asking, because it can be confusing and you might think that you have given the correct answer, but in reality, you might not have given so. So again, just to check there. Now, quickly coming back to the question. Now, find out the third highest salary, right? So what is third highest salary? Third highest salary in this case, if you come to this, what is this? Third highest salary is 3,000. How are we getting this third highest salary? Either by using rank function or dense rank function, right? But let's say, what is the difference? Let's say if you were supposed to find out the fourth highest salary, can you use rank and dense rank both? No, see, because rank function has skipped rank number 4 altogether. So it's not giving you fourth high salary or fifth high salary. It can easily deceive you. If you give rank function, if you use rank function and then filter out rank equals to 4, it will tell you there is no person who is receiving the fourth high salary. So that does not make sense. So in these kind of cases or these scenarios, you will use dense rank, right? So let us come back here and let us use the same formula. Only thing is we will use dense rank. And again, just to quickly show you why won't we use row number in this cases, because row number will give you fourth high salary when it's 3,000 only, and 3,000 is not really your fourth high salary, right? So as row number does not repeat itself, in case of a tie, it can become very confusing and it might not return the correct answer. So in case of when there is a tie or no tie, you don't necessarily know, do not take a chance and always use dense rank in these cases. So that is essentially the answer or the approach that the interviewer is looking for. Again, please clarify before answering randomly and quickly. Because in interviews, it's not about being quicker. Like, of course, we're looking for quick replies, but most of all, we are looking for efficient replies. And you being quick does not mean you are correct. So please keep that in check. I cannot stress this enough. All right, coming back here, let's say if I give rank equals to 3, right? So what will it return? It will return me both the employees. And if you come back to the question here, the question says find out the third highest salary from the table and find out the name of the employee. So we need both here. We need employee name as well as we need the salary, right? So let's write that And we will write the salary also here, and we will order it by employee name in ascending order. That's what is mentioned in the question. So let's run. So a quick tip in SSMS, you can use Alt plus X to execute your query. You don't necessarily have to go to click on this execute button right on top of your nav bar. You can just use Alt plus X. It saves you a good amount of time, believe me. All right, coming back. But let's say if the question was a little different, if you were asked to return only the top third highest salary without their employee names, what would you have done here? And you don't need to repeat the salaries, right? So that time you just would have used distinct salaries and you will get this, right? So you just need to write distinct salary where rank equals to 3 and it will give you the third highest salary. I hope this is clear. Let me move on to the next question. So the next question is find out the names of the employees who are getting the top 5 highest salaries. Okay, so now what will be the answer? Let us go to this table. So top 5 high salary receiving people are these. Now coming here, we have already copied the question here. Now can you tell me which one to use here? Yeah, I think all of you might have guessed it already. Here we have to use row number. Why is that? If you look at row number, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's giving you the top 5 employees based on their salaries. And if you look at the salary range, it's 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, and 2,000. Now, a very frequently asked or a very commonly asked question here is why is B included here? Whereas B, C, G, and J, all of them are receiving the salary of 2,000. So why not all of them are included here? Again, it depends on your use case. If you want to find out the people who are getting the top 4 highest salaries, that time you will go ahead and use dense rank. That will return you the names of all the 8 people, right? Because it does not necessarily tell you limit the number of employees, but rather it tells you to limit the rank. So here, dense rank will get used and not row number. Please read the question. I cannot stress this enough. So here what will happen? We will use dense rank and we will use rank less than equals to 5. We will use the employee names, um, employee name in an order. Again, it's not written to write down the salary, find out the names of employees who are getting the top 5 high salaries. So again, we are not asked to return the salaries and that's fine. We will just return the name of the employees in that manner, right? And that's what we have gotten out. Hope this is clear. Let's say let's tweak the question a little bit. And if you were asked to find out the top 5 employees who are getting the highest salaries, right? See, it's just the top 5 word or the top 5 keyword is just moved from here to here. And this will change the question or the answer completely. How? Let us explore here first. So it has asked us to return the top 5 employees and not top 5 high salaries, right? So that's the clear distinction. So top 5 employees who's receiving the high salary are these. Here we will use row number. So that's what is happening. So we are using row number in such a way that it is ranking the table based on salary top to bottom, as well as it is ranking the employees side by side based on their alphabetical order in an ascending manner within salary, or this is given the second highest priority after salary, and that's how roll number is ranking this. Again, in your question, if it is asking you to rank the employees in some other manner using some other column, you are completely fine to do or follow the same. In this case, I'll be following salary and employee name. So what will we do here? Essentially, we will take similar query. Only thing is that we will use row number based on salary in a descending manner, and in case of a tie we will use employee name in ascending order, right? And here we will use rank less than equals to 5. This should work. Let us try this. So we should be getting H, E, D, I, and B, exactly what we should be receiving. And that's how it is. That's how there are fine and finer details that should be mentioned in the question, and you should not ever miss it. Take time to read the question, ask as many questions as you have to the interviewer, but do not be in a rush. Right? I hope this helped, and we will see you the next one. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel and give the video a like. It will mean a lot to us. We'll meet you in the next one.